In last episode, we talked about how pin-to-pin replacement saves you time and money. But a lot of engineers ask, if I swap brand, will performance suffer? 10 years ago, maybe that was concern. Today, not anymore. Mature technologies like Trench Fieldstop. Market leader use IGBT for the latest generation. Our module use Gen.7 Trench Fieldstop, have closed the performance gap significantly. Let's look at two data sheets. On one side, the industry standard 600 amp 1200 volt upgrade module that you're probably using in your designs already. It's widely adopted in motor drives and UPS systems. On the right, our IQ module, same footprint, same PressFIT pins, same NTC, that's true pin-to-pin. The key application parameters are nearly identical. VCES 1200 on both. IC 600 amps under typical operating conditions. Both feature PressFIT terminals and integrate NTC thermistors for temperature monitoring. And most importantly, both have a positive temperature coefficient for VCE set. This means they are naturally suited for paralleling and thermally stable. So technically, if you choose a well-designed pin-to-pin alternative, you are not downgrading. You are adding supply chain flexibility with minimal engineering effort. In the next episode, I'll show you which 3 parameters we track in datasheets to make sure a replacement is safe. Stay tuned.